Hello guys, I'm just gonna show you how to make a YouTube short video really quick. I've seen all these videos on YouTube and they are lasting for 10-12 minutes and they are just talking unnecessary. So let's get into it. You just take a video down here and you need to add extra track, add extra video track. You copy the video, you paste it, and then you drag it here. And it's important to have this on 9 to 16. If this is on 16 to 9, then it will not be a YouTube short video. 9 to 16 is the same as a telephone screen. That's why you need to have 9 to 16. And then if you want to zoom in the video so you can see more, because when you have 9 to 16 it looks really small, then you right click, tools, pan and zoom. You drag this, zoom in, down. You press delete one time on this one right there, and then you press one more time there, as you can see here. Then you can choose how much of the screen you will see, how much you will zoom in. And I choose to have about this because I'm taking my face on the top. That's why I have 2 video tracks. And then I go on the other video, same video, and to get my face on top of this video, I choose crop and rotate. I drag down to mid, as you see here, it shows where mid is. I make it smaller to get up in my face. And then I just left click down here, and then you can see my face. And then I press overlay and press on this video, and I drag my face up and I can make it smaller. And there you have my face. And now the video is basically ready. And it can only be maximum, I think, 58 seconds. So let's say I want 32 seconds. I'll just clip it there, clip it there, on top of and bottom, and then delete this. And then you have a 32-second video. Sometimes the sounds is not synchronized. That's why I'm all the time taking this top audio track to 0 and keep this one on whatever I want. And now I have the video.
Yo, hey, why are you hard scoping? You bitch. Yeah, for real. Yeah, you
And then you press export and you just choose name. And I have this on highest, press advanced. And the resolution needs to be can be 1440 times 2560 to make it work. If you want lower resolution, you can choose 720 times 1560. And you take quality on highest. And then you just download a video and you can post it on YouTube. Post it like normal, and you just use the hashtag shorts on the video. This is really good to grow your channel. The first short video I made had 14,000 views in less than 1 day. And in my normal videos I have about 200 views, so that was really helping my channel. And I can show you the analytics from that video. Thank you very much for watching. Hope this could help. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. This is why you should do YouTube shorts. You see here? Boom. This helped me a lot to get recognized. So thank you, YouTube.